Hi there. This is the default checkout page for WooCommerce. And if you have enabled guest checkouts on your WooCommerce website, this means that this checkout page is not properly protected. So anyone can come here and they can place orders without any protection from anywhere. So what we need is we need to protect this checkout page. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can protect this WooCommerce checkout page with the help of hCaptcha. So let's get started. All I have to do is head over to my WordPress dashboard, open up the Swift Commerce dashboard, and once the dashboard is opened up, I'll go ahead to the spam. I'll click on reCAPTCHA, and inside the reCAPTCHA, we can see that hCaptcha is automatically selected inside the provider section. There are multiple others as well, but right now I'm working on hCaptcha. In order to enable hCaptcha, what you need is site fee and secret key. So I've already added these two. You can take these two keys from hCaptcha's official website for free. The next step here is that I'll click on settings, and here you can see that I can enable hCaptcha on the checkout page, and it will help me protect the checkout page. I'll click on save changes. Once the changes are saved, I'll head over back to the checkout page and I'll refresh the page. Once that's done, you can see here that hCaptcha is added properly and this checkout page is well protected. It won't be misused by bots or automated softwares or any other sort of bad actors. And that's how easy it is to protect your WooCommerce website with the help of hCaptcha using Swift Commerce.